Alrighty, here we are on the classwork for 1.1. So you should be in your new classwork packet. Make sure it says Unit 1, Topic A at the top, looks like this. And the goal for today is to get through numbers 1 through 7. So on number 1, find each unit rate. Remember, unit rate is how much for 1. So for example, in part A here, I always like to write it as a fraction. I think it just works easier. 420 miles in 7 hours. So when we're finding the unit rate, we want to know how much for 1 hour. So how do you get from 7 to 1? Well, you would divide by 7. So that means you're going to do 420, not divided by 2, divided by 7. Right, you can use your calculator, that's fine. And 420 divided by 7 is 60. So the unit rate is 60 miles in 1 hour. Okay, so that's number 1. Number 2, write 3 ratios that are equivalent to the one given, 18 right-handed students for every 4 left-handed students. So if we're talking 18 to 4, the most simple one, take this thing and multiply it by 2 on both sides, as long as you multiply both numbers by the same thing. So then your equivalent ratio would be 36 to 8, okay? And then you need to make 2 more. Number 3, Mr. Rowley has 16 homework papers and 14 exit tickets to return. Ms. Rivera has 64 homework papers and 60 exit tickets to return. For each teacher, write a ratio to represent the number of homework papers to the number of exit tickets they have to return. Are they equivalent? I'm going to leave that one for you. And then number 4, 5, 6, and 7 is more of questions like that. Number 4 is about homework. 5 is about, girls who make the team, people who try out for a team don't. 6, Devin is trying to find the unit price for a 6-pack of energy drinks on sale for $2.99. His sister says that at that price, each energy drink would cost just over $2. Is she correct? And how do you know? So, unit price, it's 6 of them for $2.99. So unit price would mean we're trying to find out how much for one of those drinks, not how much for $1. So to get from 6 to 1, you would divide by 6, and again, use your calculator because the rounding is going to be important here. And you get 0.498, which really, that doesn't look like money. That would really be, we'd have to round up, right? Look to our neighbor, 5 or more, let it soar. So this would really be about 50 cents a drink. So is she correct? No way, like really off, okay? She needs to learn a bit more about unit rate, okay? And then you'll do number 7. So that's all I'll do for now. If you need more help or have more questions, come to office hours or send me an email.